Hello, welcome to postuploader.com. Today I will guide how you can create password protected WordPress post and pages for Gutenberg and Classic Editor. Firstly, I will show how you can do this on Gutenberg blog editor. After that, I will show for the Classic Editor. Okay, start. So firstly, I am going to my website dashboard, then going to all post section, and I am opening a test post in blog editor. This is the test post. So I am making this right now. This post is not password protected, just checking on view preview. It's opening normally, no problem. So I am making this post in password protected. So I have to click on post section. In the right side, you see there is a post section. I have to click here. After that, I have to click on status. Right now it's on draft. I will make it password protected. So I have clicked already on post section. Now I am clicking on status, and here you will get a option at the bottom is the password protected, only visible to those who know the password. So select this checkbox and give your password. I am giving this as a password 123 hash. Just click the outside and save. Okay, view preview. You see this content is password protected. To view it, please enter password below. So without password, I can't check this post. So I am pasting the password here and clicking enter. And then after that, I can check this post. This post is visible to me. For Classic Editor, I am going to remove this password protection firstly from the Gutenberg blog editor. Right now it's not password protected. Okay, so I removed it. So how I removed it, I'm just showing it again. Just here it was selected the tick box, just untick this box and save draft, then it will automatically remove password. Very simple. So I'm going to all post section, then I'm opening the same post in Classic Editor. This layout is not similar as like Gutenberg, so I have to go down the below and checking the right side. In Classic Editor, you have to check the visibility. Right now it's public. Beside public, you will get a edit button. So click that edit button, and here you will get a option like public, password protected, private. So click on password protected, give the password, and OK, save draft. So preview the post. You see this post is password protected. Without password, we can't check this post. So I'm giving the password and enter, and it's now opening. So this is the way for Classic Editor, and as a sample I will show about how we can make password protected page. It's almost same, everything is same, just we need to go the page section, all page, and we are going to open a page. This is the page, and in the right side beside the status, click here and tick mark on password protected, give the password here. This is the password, so it's published and password protected. So when you are make password protected, that means that post could be published, draft, pending, private, scheduled, everything you can select, but Beside that, you can add a condition like it's password protected and save. View page. This content is password protected. To view it, please enter your password below. So without giving password, I can't check this content. So this is the page. So I am giving the password here and clicking enter. This post is now without password protected. So that's the things you can make your blog post password protected. Even it's Gutenberg blog editor or classic editor, doesn't matter. So it's done. If this video was helpful for you, please subscribe my YouTube channel and share this video. Thank you.